We are now less than 50 days away from the all-important November election. And today we are walking you through several election 2020 updates as you prepare to cast your vote. From helping you register to vote to the dates you need to keep in mind if you plan on voting early or voting by mail. We want to make sure you are ready. But first, we begin with the ongoing saga between the state and Harris County over mail-in ballot applications. Today, a state appeals court shot down the Texas Attorney General's request to block Harris County's vote by mail application plan. That proposal to send applications to all 2.4 million registered voters is still in legal limbo. Adam Bennett shows us what GOP leaders are now demanding and the clerk's response.
We'll be meeting full session tomorrow to talk.
Before a gathering of Republicans at this Northwest Harris County church, a demand from the state party chair to County Clerk Chris Hollins.
Well, the ball is in Mr. Hollins' court.
State GOP Chairman Alan West called on Hollins to pledge to follow court orders. There's still an ongoing legal battle over the clerk's plan at the Texas Supreme Court. West says if Hollins ignores those orders,
Attorney General Paxton needs to order the confiscation, the seizure of the over 2 million mail-in ballot applications that are sitting in a printing company.
This afternoon, the clerk's spokesperson told me their office has, quote, always worked within the bounds of the law. The clerk is not going to disobey a court order. She says they've already mailed out vote-by-mail applications to all voters 65 and older. They're all eligible under Texas law. For the remaining 2 million or so voters, she says Hollins is sticking to the same plan he pledged last Friday.
But we'll wait to make sure that we hear from the Supreme Court before going ahead and mailing those out.
KHOU political analyst Bob Stein has worked with election administrators in Harris County and across several states.
One wonders what the problem is here.
Stein says vote by mail gives neither Republicans nor Democrats an advantage.
The evidence is overwhelming.
He also says it's a lot cheaper than in-person voting, and voters fill out more on the ballot.
The only effect that vote by mail seems to have on voting is that it makes it easier.
Adam Bennett, KHOU 11 News.